sweet crunchy hearts. Hello friends, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. My name is Deepika and today I'm going to show you a recipe that's sweet crunchy hearts. So this is the recipe for the people who make the heart, crunch the heart and break the heart. So let's quickly note down the ingredients to make these hearts. Rice Krispies, marshmallows, dark chocolate, butter, edible sprinklers. Okay, to start off with the recipe, what I'm going to do is I have some marshmallows. To this I'll be adding a butter. We'll put this bowl into a microwave and micro it for 1 to 2 minutes. So our marshmallows are almost melting. So let's mix this. As you can see, our marshmallows are nice and ready. It's completely melted. To this, I'll be adding our Rice Krispies. So next what we are going to do is, I got an aluminium foil here. To this I'll be applying some butter. So that it won't stick to an alfoil when we are cutting it into a heart shape. I'll put this marshmallow and a Rice Krispie mixture over it. Apply some butter on my palms and spread it. So once this is done, we are going to refrigerate this for 15 to 20 minutes, then cut it with the heart-shaped mold. So now this is out of the refrigerator after 15 to 20 minutes. Let's cut it with the heart-shaped cutter. As you can see, there are lots of leftover after cutting the hearts. You don't have to throw this up. What you can do is, you can just assemble it again and cut it into hearts. The next step is to decorate these hearts. So for this I have a dark chocolate here. For that I'll be melting this dark chocolate in a microwave for a minute. Let's mix this. So once the chocolate is ready, we're going to dip a half of the heart into it. Remove it. Let it drain off the excess of the chocolate. Just hold a while and it will get set on it. We'll do this in a similar manner with the others. Get rid of the excess chocolate. Just hold for a while. We'll top this with the edible sprinkler. So don't you see that the recipe is really awesome? But as I said, this recipe was for the makers and the breakers. So I'm going to break mine and eat it up. So you also break some and do tell me how it was. Happy Valentine's Day.